Hi, I'm Sam Smyth from Smyth Imported Car Service here in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're an authorized independent service facility for Bentley Motorcars, and we service all the exotics. So this happens to be an Aston Martin DB9 2016, 12-cylinder, of course. Came in, we've done a vehicle inspection for it, service, owner's complaint, bad shake, possible misfire, air conditioning. Have a look. So this is the builder right here. We've pulled the intake. As you can see, this is what a set of intakes look like on the Aston Martin. There it is with twin throttle bodies. Now we found the problem on this. We don't know how much it is. This gentleman owns 10 acres. So I'm going to make this real clear in this video. If you own more than 2 acres or more than an acre and you have storage facilities in the garage away from your house and not attached to it, you need pest control. Okay? What type, that's your choice, but you need pest control. And the further away something is, you need pest control. We're going to give you an example here on this car. This is one of many exotics we have worked on. This one just, little critters got too much to. Down in the valley in here where the intake is, there is nothing but seeds. There you go. See a little bit of seeds there. Let me show you this right cam cover. Look at that. Look at that. Look at these wires right here. It's actually eaten in half on number 5. I mean, so I don't know if we were told that the car was driven, stomped on a little hard, started with a miss, and that's kind of the way we should be sorting this car out. We take the car apart, we find out that we're going to do a compression test on it or cylinder leak down test. We also find out that we're looking like an engine wiring harness. And then we don't even have a clue whether the little critter started from underneath the dash. There's a lot of work to do these cars right. We found the intakes were loose. Several things were loose and not checked on this car. This is a new customer, of course. Had he been our customer, we would have noticed this long before this. We've looked at this more than once on cars, and we've advised people to get traps. You know, something humane. You know, something that catch these little animals, because these are little. It could be a chipmunk, squirrel, or mice. I don't know. But I do know he has like 10 acres of land, and this car may be put somewhere else. Just coming off the bonnet, maybe nothing, maybe something carried. That is down on the intake side. So we're going to need a good strong vacuum cleaner, which we have, because we also detail cards for show here. So anyway, that's pretty much it. So if you have an Aston Martin, whether it's new like this or an older one, please come see us.